Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue à France avec Monsieur Frank. Hi everyone, welcome to French with Dr. Frank Martins. Thank you for watching. Okay, guys, let's do us a few game of pronunciation as a native speaker pronunciation, and which one you will hear anytime French people mouth that we're talking about like this. Okay, let's beginning this things with the two person. Gerard, 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 and Martine, Martine, Martin. In French, it is Martin. This we didn't say Martine. Martin and Gerard will be talking in French. Okay. Salut Martin.
Salut Gérard, comment ça va?
Ouais, ça va. Et toi?
Oui, ça aussi, hein. Merci, à plus.
Okay, guys, we hope you enjoyed this small dialogue. The first group of verbs are the ER verbs or regular verb. Okay, as we have told you, the first group verb are regular verb, but there is a small problem with them. Some of them are changing some consonant to double consonant or some E to E with the grave accent. We call it accent grave. Oui, les gars, remarquez aussi qu'il y a des verbes du premier groupe qui se conjuguent avec des dédoublements de consonnes. Par exemple, nous avons le verbe appeler. Appeler and gt. Same like them, but not the same rule. Like, ok, comme vous le voyez, des verbes avec des voyelles qui deviennent des accents graves et sound. Like le verbe acheter. Acheter et un achever. Acheter to buy, achever to finish. Don't worry, this verb also is to finish. I do like to use this verb when I don't know how to conjugate the verb finir to finish. Thank you. Let's move ahead to understand them well. Ok les gars, voyons ce qu'il y en a. Okay guys, let's see clearly. For example, we will be conjugating the verb to call in the present tense. It is j'appelle, 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 I call or I am calling. And then tu appelles, il, elle appelle, nous appelons, vous appelez, il, elle appelle. Okay, and then jeter, to throw. To throw is jeter, jeter, to throw. Je jette, tu jettes, il jette, elle jette, on jette. Nous jetons, nous jetons. Oh. Nous jetons, you know, a quant, the quant, you say a quant to put in the machine. Jeton means quant in French also. Don't mind, this sound means quant in French. Please, sorry. Nous jetons means we throw or we are throwing. Vous jetez, you throw or you are throwing. Il jette, they throw. Elle jette, they throw. Finisher. Thank you. Quel est leur problème? It means what is their problem? The problem is what? Le problème est que le verbe dédouble leur consonne, mais avec nous and vous, rien ne change. The matter is that making a double consonant, but with the nous and vous, as you can see with the previous verb we have conjugated, the nous and vous remain same. Okay, it is why we say nous and vous restent les mêmes. Nous appelons, vous appelez, nous jetons, vous jetez. No double consonant here. Ok les gars, je m'ennuie un peu. I'm feeling boring. Let's make exercise. Exerçons-nous. Let's practice. Je jetais. Can you put this verb in the correct form? Une pierre à la fenêtre. Je jetais. Il appelait son frère Franck. Il appelait son frère Franck. Ne vous jetez pas la pierre. Ne vous jetez pas la pierre. This is an expression that don't blame yourself. Good. Ne vous jetez pas la pierre. Don't throw the stone to yourself. Like if you throw the stone to yourself, it will hurt you. This is why they said don't blame yourself in English. But in French, it's very, very confusing. Thank you so much. Please let the correct answer in the commentary. Thank you so much. I accent grave or E accent grave. Dans ce cas, le problème se situe à quel niveau? The question here, what will be the matter here with this E changing to E with the grave accent? Trouvons plutôt la solution. Let's find the solution. La solution est que Là encore, avec nous and vous, il n'y a aucun changement. Là encore, here also with nous and vous, there is no change. Okay, it remains E, simple E. Okay, and then we call this E a mirror. It means dead E. Good. Ok les gars, voyons quelques exemples. Okay guys, let's see some examples. We have chanceler, chanceler, chanceler. Tout autre. Thank you. Célébrer, célébrer, célébrer. This E is not totally in silent E. It is a E, accent aigu. E with a accentuated E. We means like this. Okay. It is to celebrate, but here when we conjugate it, the E will be changing to A with the grave accent, not with nous, not with vous. Exception in that one. And then harceler, harceler is to, and then peser, peser, peser is to wait, wait something, yeah, to wait. Okay, wait, to wait, to wait. Okay, and then acheter, acheter to buy, and then achever, achever is to finish. Good. Let's see some example. Okay, guys, here also be careful. Appeler and jeter and any verbs related to them will be taken and double consonant instead of a. These two kind of verbs have a correlationship. The a is put here. It is the same sound when they put double l. It is same like when they put e with a grave accent. It is the same sound. That makes, if they put double l, it makes that sound a. If they do not put double l, they put a sound. It seems that double l or double t. Okay, fine. Example: the verb épeler, to spell, interpeller, to interpolate, interjeter, to lodge, etc., etc. Alors, nota bene, they are like this only there when they're followed by the e. This e is called silent e in French, but don't worry, there is also e accent aigu, like you've seen at a couple of the verb, like the verb célébrer is with the accentuated e. Okay, and there are no silent with nous and vous. It is why with nous and vous it is like this. There are no silent e there. Like when you say nous épelons, between the L and the on there is no E, donc no problem. Vous épelez, between the EZ and then the L there is no silent E, because EZ is a semi-vowel, which means A sound in French. Therefore I don't know E. There's a couple of E and A, like say how to say nose in French, we say ne, no plus EZ. Good. Let's go for. Okay guys, let's move for the second exercise. Conjugate this verb with these following subjects. Nous, il, elle, tu, nous. Nous, il, elle, tu, vous. Sorry. Let them by comment. Please comment and tell the answer. We'll be checking it together. Thank you so much. Okay, in our next video, we'll be also talking about the part 3 of the third group verb. There is some verbs also ending by a-y-e-r, o-y-e-r, u-y-e-r. Their conjugation will be changing also, like payer, payer, nettoyer, essuyer, essuyer. And then also some couple of a verb ending by ger or cer will be changing, as manger, to eat, commencer, to start. Ok, nota bene, même si les verbes changent, ils ne sont pas des verbes irréguliers. Even if these verbs are changing, it is also only for the reading purpose. They are only changing for the reading purpose in the French grammar, not because of something else. Merci d'avoir regardé cette vidéo. Au revoir, à bientôt pour une nouvelle vidéo. Thank you for watching this. Merci beaucoup, à bientôt.